Good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Vikas Das. I'm here to make a short video about our little brother Samuel Sangma and his sister Rose Sangma. So, before I come to the conclusion or before I start in my introduction, I just want to remind these Haryana hospital doctors and nurses that who called you first. The first point is who called you. Samuel Sangma called you that he is in emergency, that her sister is not feeling well. So please come and admit her to your hospital. Is it right? Yeah. Second thing, ambulance came, pick her up and took her to your hospital. Okay. Second thing. Third thing, I want to ask to the doctor, have you diagnosed Rose Sangma? Have you taken blood sample? Have you taken urine sample? I don't know. What samples you have taken or not, I don't know. Fourth point I want to tell, without consulting his brother-in-law. Why did you give him ice cream? You should have give him ORS or any vitamin juices and all. Why freaking nurses do you give her ice cream? Are you running an ice cream parlor or you are looking for the sick patient? Just remind me that. I'm asking to the Haryana doctor and all. See, we public, we pay. We pay for our sickness, right? So it's your duty to at least consult, at least ask him whether I should give him ice cream or not. Or fifth point is that when you are giving him ice cream or any sort of thing, why was his brother not present inside the hospital? You don't have any answer to that. It's very discouraging and very heartbreaking for me to just let a youngster die in front of me. It's not we who have failed, it's the society have failed. The Samuel Sangma has to take such kind of action. It's not we who have failed, it's the society failure. Alright? It's not the youth failure, it's the society failure. I remind you everyone, this is not a war against any religion. It's a war against humanity. If you don't stand for a person whom you don't know or whom you hate also, but in respect to you as a human, you should have humanity into yourself. I really want this information to be spread out, just not because that my video, I want to get the video get viral. No, it's not like that. I just want a justice, a pure human justice for Samuel Sangma and Rose Sangma. And I want to ask to the doctor, how dare you to touch him? First of all, how dare you to touch him? See, in this world, everyone is going for social media, alright? If Samuel Sangma is making a video on how you are treating or how you are behaving, you don't have a freaking right, doctors, to slap onto his face or to snatch his phone. If he was fault, if he was wrong, then why government is giving us online classes? It should also get stopped. Why we will learn from online? Just answer to that freaking question to me. Why we will learn from online? See, I was making a video, alright, but I suddenly stopped because I get a comment from an unknowing person, from an unknowing girl, that your video is a third class. Okay, I can't make first class video. I can't make first class video for you guys, but as my duty, as an influencer, I'm trying my level best. So I stopped making video, alright, because in this world now, everyone, no one wants to see you go high. Everyone wants you to feel bad, feel go down, alright. No one feel good about someone. This is the step where we are coming, where the world will end, where this humanity is going down. When humanity is going down, and when there will be no one who love a human, and there will be no one who can love a brother or sister, at that time, at that particular time, this whole human race will get destroyed. And I want to ask this hospital Haryana, हरियाणा झाटी वाले, क्या सोच रहे रे? हम लोग को कुछ नहीं आता है क्या? तो क्या सोच रहे आप लोग को? अपने आप को क्या सोच रहा है रे? हम लोग को हिंदी नहीं आता है क्या? क्या साला, पे हम लोग ने किया है, एडमिशन हम लोग ने किया है, रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म हम लोग ने फॉर्म किया है, तो फॉर्म दिखाने के लिए तेरा गाड़ में इतना दम क्यों नहीं था बे भोसड़ी के? फॉर्म क्यों नहीं दिखाया? जब वो बोल रहा था मुझे वो क्या है वो पेपर दिखाओ, तो तुम लोग ने क्यों नहीं दिखाया? तुम लोग ने क्यों नहीं दिखाया? वो लड़की का भाई है. He has every right to ask you question because you are a doctor. When you doctor save a person, people used to embrace you. But when by your negligence, by your stupid ideas, if someone dies, it's your fault. It's your fault. And not giving us the appropriate documents of that person is also your fault. And why didn't you slap? Why did you slap that Samuel Sangma? Who gave you the permission? I'm asking to the doctor. आपको हाथ चलाने का किसने अनुमति दिया है? आप लोग ने वीडियो बनाने के लिए भी नहीं दिया, उसको चाटा वाटा मारा है. क्यों? वो उसका भाई है यार. वो क्या उसको राइट नहीं है क्या उसको पूछने के लिए? आई एम आस्किंग दिस टू द होल सेवन सिस्टर, the whole notice. If we are not uniting, if we are not coming together on this particular platform, there will be many more Samuel Sangma and many more these cases going on, right? We have to take our stand. We have to take stand for our brothers and sisters who are residing in other state. As a human being, it's not we who have felt Samuel Sangma. It's the society who have felt Samuel Sangma. And I'm really requesting from the deep of my heart to the all notice, to the government of Nagaland, to the government of Meghalaya, to government of to the CM of all the noticed, to kindly take an action against this kind of doctors or nurses. If someone is sick, people give him medicine. People give him vitamin juices. Not doctors will never give him ice cream or never give him candy, because in that situation, in that worst situation, how can you bring ice cream to that fucking situation? Just tell me that. Huh? Just tell me that. In that situation, when someone is losing their life, when someone is on the depth of their life, how can you bring ice cream to their life? It means that you doctor and nurse are giving a damn about these notice people. Is it right? You are giving a damn? So I am requesting all the notice, all the seven sisters, that we have to get united. That we have to get see, if one stick when we were young, when we were very small, we used to get knowledge about this. If a bunch of sticks comes together, it is very difficult to break, right? But if there is one single stick, it can be easily broken. So we have these 7 sisters. So why can't we get united and fight for this Samvel Sangma? I'm telling you, if other states are not taking any stand against any other people, we have some responsibility. We have some duty here. Come on, we are living in this notice. Okay, just to mold this, I'll present an example for you, for all the 7 sisters of notice. Listen it carefully. जब कभी भी एक नोटिस का, या फॉर एग्जांपल मेरी कॉम wins a gold medal or a bronze medal or silver medal in Olympic, कौन सा देश ये होता है? इंडिया होता है ना. इंडिया के लिए गोल्ड जीता, इंडिया के लिए सिल्वर जीता, इंडिया के लिए ब्राउन जीता. उसके बाद ही आता है स्टेट में, ये मणिपुर से है या ये अरुणाचल से है. होता है नहीं होता है. सो Samvel Sangma and Rose Sangma is from notice only, yaar. Come on. We cannot be dull. We cannot be stupid. We cannot be stupid. We cannot be like negligence about something. If you have seen a crime going on, and if you walk looking at the crime, what will happen? Just leave it. It's a big mistake to humanity. I'm saying you again and again. It's a big mistake to humanity. We notice people have not felt. It's the society of notice has felt. If we can't give justice to Samvel Sangma and Rose Sangma. See, no one wants to commit suicide. No one wants to commit suicide. It's a coward thing. But what led him to do such coward is a big question. See, I'm making a video. He's not my brother, not my sister, nothing else. But as a human being, as a person, as an individual living in this notice, I have a right. I have seen. If something goes wrong, we have to speak. We have to take our rights. We have to take our place. That's why no one give a damn. That's the reason. If we notice keep on doing such crazy things, such stupid thing, no one will give a damn about notice. Alright, no one will give a damn. We should get unite before it get too late and have a justice for Samvel Sangma and Rose Sangma. I request and plead to everyone, to every individual, to each and every individual that are residing in notice, that are living in notice. This place is heaven. I'm saying it this with my experience. This place is heaven. Don't make heaven into hell. Don't let humanity die. We have seen in Delhi and Mumbai and all these many cases going on, rape and all, and fucking shit and all, murdering and shuddering and kidnapping and all. No. This thing used to do over there, not over here. This is a place of God. This is a place of heaven. This is a place of peace, harmony. If in this place, if we can't make a voice for our people, for our own people, for our own blood, no one will take. No one will take. No one will take. I'm really very sorry for that. If you are a human, if any individual who have seen this video, if he or she is a human, please work for humanity, because we really need it. We really need it. To run a company, to run an industry, we need huge amount of person, huge amount of workers. To spread this social media also, to spread this news also, we need a huge number of person, huge number of support. I just want this video to get to that doctor, that freaking doctor who slapped Samval Sangma without any reason for making a video. अरे यार, रास्ता में दिल्ली का रोड में, मुंबई का रोड में हजारों रास्ता में बनाता है वीडियो. उस टाइम में कोई रोक टोक नहीं है. वीडियो बना रहा है, जिन्युइन वीडियो बनाने का टाइम में क्यों रोक टोक है बे? ये पहले बता मेरे को. See guys, it's high time. No. It's high time that we should take our own stand, because no one will take our stand. If you say, just leave it. A time will come when people will say you, just leave it. So before it's too late, I want every noticed, every individual to post a video about Samval Sangma. Let Google be on trend about Samval Sangma, justice for Samval Sangma and Rose Sangma. Let it be a trending note, so that let them show what notice can do, what notice people can do. If you guys, if whole notice comes together, na, we can even win a war. You got it? We can even win a war. Really love you. Please do, if I make some mistake, please apologize me. I'm really very sorry for what I've done. If anything goes wrong, if any mistake comes out from my mouth, I'm asking an apology from you. But it's a true thing, and you should realize before it gets too late. Thank you. Have a nice day, and please do subscribe my video, so that I can have support. I can support my own people.